Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement and welcome to another workout. My name is Paul and I'm taking you through today's workout like I've been doing for almost 7 years right now. Yes, today's workout is only 8 repetitions long. So we are doing isometric holds using some resistance bands. So since we're doing isometric holds, we are working on strengthening our tendons. Tendons attach muscles to the bone are very important in energy transfer. So let's not waste any more time. It's gonna be 8 reps. I'm gonna hold each exercise for as long as I can. Obviously, everybody's a little bit different. Do the best that you can to follow along with. We're starting off with the classic, which is a wall squat. So follow along with me. I don't need my resistance band for this. We're doing a wall squat for as long as we can. So I'm gonna try to get nice and deep. I think I'm pretty deep, and we're gonna start the clock now. Our imaginary clock, ding, 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 here we go. Working on the quads. Like I said, tendon strength is super important. You can avoid a lot of injuries. Most of the injuries that do happen, a lot of them are tendon tears or minor tears or major tears, tendonitis. That's what we want to try to avoid today. Anyway, let's get going. We're going already. Keep holding it for as long as you can. Like I said, I'm always working out with you, so this is going to be my type of workout. And I'm going to hold it as long as I can. And my legs are already starting to slide. My butt's starting to slide down the wall. But I'm going to hold it for another 30 seconds or so, hopefully, before I get down to the ground. So keep holding it with me. Keep holding it with me. If this is not enough resistance for you, you can put on a weight right here on your quads. This is plenty of resistance for me, however. So keep at it. Keep holding, keep holding. Do not give up today. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Like I said, only 8 exercises today. 8 sets, nice and easy. Should go by pretty quickly. Keep at it. Keep holding it right here. It burns and it's okay. Isometric holds. That's all we're doing today. I think this is my second or third isometric workout on the channel. And I've had a lot of workouts Mondays and Thursdays, never missed an upload for almost 7 years. Oh boy, it burns. Keep talking, Paul, keep talking. Keep your mind off of it. Keep it up. All right, I'm gonna hold it for like 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, and that felt good. How about that? All right, 8 exercises. Doesn't mean we're not gonna come back to the legs, right? Now we're gonna get down on the ground for a push-up. Same thing. You're gonna go about halfway down. Keep the elbows close to the body. Gonna go halfway down, and you're just gonna hold it. Try to stay as straight and as locked in as possible. Nice plank position, halfway down. Do the best that you can. Once I get down on the ground, I can't see myself really. But I'm gonna do what feels best for me and the best plank that I think I'm holding. That's all I expect of you. So let's get down on the ground. However you do it, on your wrists, on your fists. If you have to use one of these, actually, you know what? Maybe I will, because my wrist has been bothering me. So I just use these. It doesn't matter as long as you're working out. Ready? Plank position, halfway down, and just hold it right here. Much as you can. This is gonna be much shorter than that wall squat was. Elbows in and hold. Hold. Halfway. Halfway. Don't drop. Keep it up. Fight it. I'm already shaking. Don't have much left. Keep it with me. Come on. Hold. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Don't face plant. Come on. And then face plant. All right, that was exercise number 2. Like I said, nice and easy. Put these away. For the next one, I believe I'm gonna use the band. So Now I'm gonna do a little bicep work. Same concept, guys. Get your band, or if you have a set of dumbbells, I can actually do this with a set of dumbbells. If you wanna see dumbbells or a band, my dumbbells are right here. I don't know, 15s will work well for this. Either one. And we're just gonna hold a curl position, just like this. That's all there is to it. So I'm using a set of 15-pound dumbbells, I was gonna say. The band I was gonna use was gonna be the black one. That one was gonna be a little tough. So I'm gonna go for the dumbbells. Nice and supinated. Good posture, ready? 3, 2, 1, up and hold. And just relax into it. This is definitely an auxiliary workout. Like I said, you can do once a week. That's probably enough to keep those tendons healthy. And it's already starting to burn. Don't drop the weights. Try to stay, believe, about 90 degrees, right? Stay right here. Just keep holding it. Keep holding. If you're using a resistance band, keep holding. If you already stopped, that's okay. Take a break until we're done here and we move on to the next exercise. Right here, right here, right here. Keep holding it. It's starting to burn a lot. Don't drop those arms. You got this, come on. Relax. I got about 10 more seconds in me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and drop the weights. Not on your feet, preferably. All right, put these away. There we go. Like I said, if you were using a resistance band for this, it would have been the same thing. You would have grabbed your band and we just curled up and you would have held it. Same thing, same exercise. Either one works the same way. All right, now we're getting down on the ground again. We're going for a bridge. This takes a lot of flexibility, which sometimes I lack, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. So ready? 3, 2, 1, and up. And push those hips up as far as they go. I know it doesn't look like I'm going very far, but trust me, I am fighting gravity with everything I got right now. Push them up. Push them up. Squeeze those glutes together and up. And just hold it. Same concept. This takes a lot of shoulder flexibility. Do the best that you can. Push up, hold it. Heels into the ground, push those heels hard into the ground. And then up on the hips. Come on, we got this, we got this. There we go, now the burn is coming in. The exercise is being effective. Keep it up. Nice and quiet. Come on, look up at the ceiling, close your eyes, and just push. That's it, that's it. I'm gonna count up 10 more seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, and relax. Oh, this one's gonna feel good to come down and shake everything out. I just want you to stay right here on the ground for the next exercise. Whew. Shake it out, shake it out. In fact, you know what? Let's lay down. How is that? All right, do a little bit of core work. We're gonna do a hollow body hold. I gotta make sure I got enough room behind me. I want you to extend your arms over your head. It's gonna feel really good after what we just did. Nice stretch. Get those legs all the way out. Just breathe out with me for a little bit before we get going on the next exercise. So on this one, I want you to squeeze your lower back into the ground, and your legs and your arms are gonna come up off the ground, right? You're gonna do the best that you can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and up. And just hold. And build that strength with me. Come on. We got this. Arms all the way extended. Legs all the way extended. Lower back pressed into the ground. Hold it. I've been wanting to record this workout for a long time. I'm finally getting around to it. Hold it right here. Beautiful. Keep it up. Keep at it. Keep at it. Come on. I don't have much more left in me. You ready to count down to 10 seconds? 1, 2, push, 3, come on, don't drop, 4, 5, 6, be tough, 7, come on, 8, 9, and 10, and relax. Woo! All right. What's next? What's next? A little bit lower body. We're going to do the horse stance. Something that we could probably and should do, that doesn't make any sense. Probably do every day. It's easy enough to do. You get up off the chair or the couch, get to a stand, and hold it for as long as you can, right? Nice and easy. So spread those legs out, beyond shoulder width. Toes pointing out at about 45 or so degrees. And we're just gonna squat down as deep as not as deep as we can, to about 90 degrees, or as deep as we can, up to 90 degrees. And then we're just gonna hold it. That's all there is to it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, squat down. Stay upright, stay as upright as you can, and hold. All the way down. There we go, beautiful. Right here, stay right here and hold. Not gonna last very long for me either. Another one of those exercises that I need to work on. I always say, my workouts are your workouts, guys. All right, I'm gonna call it 10 more seconds already. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2, and relax. I and you should repeat this 2 or 3 more times. Just this horse stance, nothing else, if any of these exercises don't work out for you. Very good for mobility and strength. All right, now we got a row. Same thing, this is a great resistance band row right here. Dumbbell will have to be quite heavy. Resistance band is also quite heavy, but it doesn't have to be a barbell. You might have to be holding a barbell or heavy 40, 50 pound dumbbell in order to do this, or you can do this with a $3 resistance band, and it has the exact same effect as we are doing isometric hold. So the band is going to be stretched fully, and that's where you want to be at. So we're just going to bend down, pull up, and guess what? You're going to hold it. This is a pretty heavy resistance band. This exercise is going to be quick, which is good. We want a lot of resistance on most of these exercises, make them as difficult as possible. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hold. Right here. Stay core tight and keep pulling. Keep fighting. It wants to go back down to the ground. Don't let it. Hold it right here. Keep it up. Right here. Right here. Looking good. Keep holding it. I can feel that back and those biceps burning. Keep going. Keep it up. Full. Ready? 10 more seconds. I'm gonna count them down right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. and release slowly. And there's that. That means we only have one exercise left. Like I said, we're moving through it quickly today. So we pretty much covered the entire body because we're doing that bridge that works our shoulders. But let's isolate the shoulder a little bit more by doing a shoulder press. Same thing. Gonna extend to about here, and we're just gonna hold it. Don't lock your arms fully out. Don't leave them down here either. Find a good, comfortable spot somewhere halfway. You can use a resistance band. You can use dumbbells. I'm gonna use my resistance band. You're not gonna be able to see my arms as right here, they're out of view. But you get the gist, right? Ready? 3, 2, 1, hold. Shoulders back, heads up, and fight. I'm shaking already. Look at that shake. Usually it's my gut that shakes right now. It's my right arm that's shaking first, and it's fighting that resistance. Keep it up, keep it up. A lot of shake going on. I'm gonna call 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a lot of shake. 8, 9, one more, and 10, and release. That does it, guys. That was our tendon strengthening workout. 10 repetitions, 8 exercises, nice and easy. Yes, you can do this for just about every exercise, and you should definitely throw it into your little workout schedule, regime, program, whatever you want to call it, once a week for a few minutes. You can do this anywhere. You can do this while you're watching TV. It doesn't require any kind of room, basically, and a little bit of resistance. My name is Paul, guys. This is Fit After 50. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment down below, as workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. For almost 7 years running now, we have not missed an upload. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.